Hey guys, you're here for another installment from Force 15. So this is update 25 on Hurricane Matthew as of 0015 UTC on the 8th of October 2016. Storm's location at 30.7 degrees north, 80.6 degrees west, with winds of 110 miles an hour and a pressure of 948 millibars. Movement north at 12 miles an hour. So Hurricane Matthew is still affecting the coast of Florida and also South Carolina as well at the moment. Some hurricane warnings in Georgia do remain in effect, and also Florida as well, and hurricane warnings spread through South Carolina and also up into North Carolina as well. Though there'll probably be no updates during the day today, as I will be away in Dunstable, but I might see maybe if I can get a few mobile updates out if the storm does re-intensify or anything. Then I will see if I can get any mobile updates out. But anyway, that's all for me now. Thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.